Hey, what's up, guys? If you stumbled upon this video, I am Abel, and so are you. I have another multi-stripper here. You guys know I'm in search of a spring-loaded stripper multi-tool, and I came across this KOBALT. Let's take a closer look. KOBALT, lifetime warranty, multi-purpose pliers, 5-in-1. We got the M here that's on the handle is identifying that it's a multi-tool. You got your solids 10 to 20, your stranded 12 to 22. Part number 2570374. Nothing too special about the package. There is all of your features there. You're welcome to pause that, screenshot it if you like, read that at your own leisure. So let's take a closer look. At first glance, you guys know I like to grab a tool first, and this feels good. This feels good. For me, KOBALT, I have mixed emotions about KOBALT. Sometimes I like them, sometimes I love them, and sometimes I can take it or leave them. So I do have mixed emotions about KOBALT. Some things I like a lot, some things I don't like at all. And this one, I don't know where I stand. I know the feel is good, but the way this tool looks, it kind of looks cheapish. Can I say that? Cheapish. When I've had a K-nips in my hand, Klein in my hand, Milwaukee, and there's some, I don't know. So let's take a closer look. So we here have somewhat of a needle nose, plier head. Yeah, and if we unlatch it here, we got some grooves here. They're not that tacky, but they are. You could probably do some solid wires back here twisting, but I don't know how that would work. You really need your duck bills. So this is, for poking in to holes, grabbing out wires. So you do need something like this to go along with your duck bill set. Then we're moving on down, and we got here your solids, 10 to 20. Your strands over here, 12 to 22. And there's your blade there. You see that? Looks like they were trying to get that sharp. We're gonna see how sharp that is. And of course, there's your holes. Let's see. Got your marking here. Can we get it? Yep. Cut copper only. There's your 2 screws. 8/32, 6/30 seconds. K for KOBALT. And here, it looks like you can loosen this or tighten it. So if you want these stiff, you can tighten this up. But of course, I'm looking for the looseness. I like it loose. And there's your spring, and there is your crimper, and here's your latch to lock it together. And this latch kind of digs into my thumb. It's not, I feel like I wish they could have done something with that. That really digs in your thumb when you're using this. So it's very uncomfortable using that latch. It just digs in you the wrong way. It's sharp, especially pulling down on it. It's very sharp. So I'm gonna have to zonk that there. The handle is nice. I do like the handle. It's not really soft, but it's not hard, and it's fitting my hand right. So even though it's not a soft handle, it's curved just right. So I don't even notice that it's not soft because it's curved just right in my hand. And there's your M for multi-tool. And this is your lanyard. Hole, tether it to you. Yeah. So yeah, guys, and then here's some of your filing. It's kind of a file here. At least that's what the package called it, filing. But you know, a lot of guys use this for your reaming, sorry, on your conduit. As you know, guys, you want to make sure those are clear so you don't pull no wire through there and tear up your wire. So let's see what we got here. Let's start small. What do we got here? .16 gauge. I might have to dig out some more. 16, that would be right here. Might have to dig out some more wire. Oh, that cut nicely. Compared to what we saw before, with that idea that I just did, that was a train wreck. That cut nicely. That cut very nicely. All the strands are nice. There's no strands in here. It might be one, yeah, maybe two. But that cut good. That cut very good. Yeah. Let's see if we can put something on there. Maybe blue. That'd be good. So let's see. We want an anvil on that bottom, or the top, I should say, and the opening on the bottom. And pull that down a little bit. Let's see. Oh, that took a lot of force. That took a lot of force. Okay, we got a little divot there. Oh, that's out too far, but that's on there. Yeah. Wow. You know what? This is way better than what that idea was for that non-metallic stripping device. That, again, was not a fair. I did not give that tool a fair shot. But anyway, this is good. This is very nice. And I know that's way further than what it should be, but guys, I'm behind the what's in the camera, but that crimp is on there. So that's good. And of course, let's see how it cuts. Whoa. Did you hear that snap? That's nice and clean. Wow. That cuts really good. That is impressive. That is impressive. Okay. Let's step it up. What we got here? 14 gauge. All right. Let's strip this 14 gauge. Say that's about right, fellas? Okay. Okay, got some little strands came out there. It's a little bit thicker. Let's grab one day I'll do these in front of the camera so I won't be fumbling around. One day. Okay. So there we go. Pull it down a little bit. There we go. That's good. You know what? This KOBALT, it may not be pretty, but it works. This KOBALT is impressive. Let's see what it sounds like on the cut. Wow, these are super sharp. And you know what? Just for fun, I'm gonna grab a little bit of 10 gauge. So this is, let me see, make sure, yeah. So this is a bit of 10 gauge here. And I just cut this off. I mean, I'm really impressed with these. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, that one didn't work too good. Maybe I was up too high. Wow. I have to compare this. And this was not meant to be a comparison at all, but these are kind of blowing my mind as far as the cutting. So this is somewhat different cutter. You guys have seen these already, but I want to see what this Klein does with this, because I know this Klein, they like to snap. Look at it. Look how they cut that. Okay. That was a good cut. Okay. But you know, it's kind of smashing it a little bit. But this KOBALT, see how it smashed it? Let's see what this KOBALT do. Wow, the KOBALT it's like hot butter. It's effortless. I had to put a little pressure on the Klein. Wow, guys. Hey, you know what? Impressive. Might not be pretty, but impressive. So, this was about 25 bucks. And I thought it was a little high for a KOBALT. I thought because the Milwaukee 6-in-1, that runs about 18 bucks, 19 bucks. But it doesn't have the crimper. It has everything else but the crimper. But this thing cuts very well. Very well. So excuse me, I'm very happy with this. Extremely happy with the cutting. Extremely happy with the crimping and the stripping. It may have to grow on me. I can't deny the performance. In my opinion, the performance is excellent with this KOBALT. Excellent. It cuts great. It strips great. The you know, it doesn't have that divot like the Klein on the crimping, but it does get the job done, and it feels fantastic in the hand. All right, KOBALT. I see y'all. KOBALT. All right. Well, that's about all I have for you guys. I do like this KOBALT, and I hope this video was of some help. At least some of you guys might already knew this was a good tool. Some of you guys may not have. Some of you guys may have your eyebrow up. But at any rate, with that being said, thanks for watching. And please remember to thumbs up, guys.